Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Chase Mobile using biometrics and alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you've downloaded the Chase Mobile app from your device's app store. Open the app and tap on the login button. Enter your Chase username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option labeled biometric authentication. Tap on it to enable biometric features for easier access. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification. Once verified, you can choose between fingerprint or facial recognition. Select your preferred biometric option and confirm. Now, let's set up alerts for your account. Go back to the settings menu. Find the alerts section and tap on it. Choose the types of alerts you wish to receive. Options typically include transaction alerts, balance updates, and more. Select your preferred notification method either via push notifications or email. Save your alert preferences before exiting the menu. You're now ready to use biometrics for quick access to your Chase account. Additionally, your alerts will keep you informed of your account activity. This process enhances both your security and convenience. Regularly check your settings to ensure everything is up to date. You can easily manage or modify your alerts as needed. Enjoy a more secure banking experience with Chase Mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.